everyone, I am very excited to talk about animal habitats today, and we are going to be learning about opinion writing. So in the past we've done expository writing, which is where we tell facts, something that is always true. So if I were looking at this tiger, I might say he has stripes. Tigers will always have stripes. Now with opinion, you get to tell why you like something. So let's read the article and then we'll write a few sentences together. It says, 2 cats' habitats. Lions and tigers are both cats. They are both big. They both roar, but they live in different habitats. What do you think each habitat is like? Look at the photos for a hint. Okay. So look how different habitat their home is, where they live. Okay. So let's read about the lion first. Welcome to the grassland habitat. It is dry, it is hot, it is a great home for lions. Lion cubs play in their grassland home. There are not many trees there. When the cubs find one, they climb it. Lions hunt in their grassland home. The land is flat and open. They can see other animals easily. The grass camouflages the lions. Their fur blends in. It makes them hard to see. Can you see the lion and lioness in that one? She's hunting. Okay. Lions get thirsty in their grassland home. It doesn't rain a lot there. Water is hard to find. When lions find water, they lap it up with their tongues. Okay, so if this were my paper, you might circle some of the things or underline the things you like. So lion cubs, when they find a tree, they climb it. That's pretty fun, huh? Another thing is they're camouflaged. And maybe one more thing I'd mark is they lap up water. Isn't that interesting? Look at how they're putting the water in their mouth. Okay, now let's look at tigers. Welcome to the jungle habitat. It is wet, it is green, it is a great home for many tigers. Tiger cubs play in their jungle home. There are many trees there. Cubs get a lot of practice climbing them. Tigers hunt in their jungle home. The land is lush. There are so many plants. Tigers cannot see other animals easily, but they can use the plants to hide. They can sneak up on animals. Tigers get thirsty in their jungle home. It rains a lot there. There is plenty of water to drink. Tigers lap it up with their tongues. Okay, so maybe what I like, or I think the cubs get to climb. That's really fun. I like that the jungle, they live in a really green place. The jungle. And then once again, they lap up water, just like the lions do. Okay, let's go ahead and do this back part together, and then we'll write 2 sentences from our paragraph. My home is lush. I hang out in trees to stay safe. This is our red panda. Would that be grassland or jungle? If you said jungle, you're correct. My home is dry. I have to search to find water. Would that be grassland or jungle? If you said grassland, you're right. The land in my home is flat. I can see other animals easily. So here's our zebra. Would that be grassland or jungle? If you said grassland, that's correct. It rains a lot. Oh, let me get up there. It rains a lot in my home. The rainwater rolls off my feathers. Would that be grassland or jungle? If you said jungle, that's right. Okay, last one. It does not rain a lot in my home. I stand up in the tall, dry grass. Grassland or jungle? That would be grassland. Okay, so now that we're done with that part, I'm going to get my paper, so go ahead and get your journal out. And we are going to write 2 sentences about our opinion. So look at these 2 pictures one more time. And which animal do you like the most? Would it be the lion or the tiger? Okay, and it can be anyone you want. Okay, so I'm going to start by writing. Let me get a pen. One second. I'm going to start by writing, I think. Let me get something a little bit thicker so you can see it better. Okay. There we go. Okay. I think. Now you can tell this is very different from our expository because you're telling me what you like, what your opinion is. An opinion is something you like or how you feel. Okay, I think blank is better than blank. So in this, you're going to mark which one you like better. So if you like lions more, you're going to put lions here. If you like tigers more, you're going to put tigers. So I'm going to put lions. I think lions are better than, make sure it says AN, because EN means something different. And then what was the other animal? Tigers. And tigers is not a name, so we're not going to put a capital. Okay, so this is my first sentence. I think lions are better than tigers. Now, when we have an opinion, it's very important to explain why you have those feelings. So you're not just going to say, I like them better, you're going to tell me why. So our next sentence says, I, finger space, I think, okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. I think whatever animal you chose, if you chose tigers, you think tigers are better, you put it here. I chose lions, so I'm going to write, I think lions actually, you're not going to put that. So with your paper, you can erase it. I can't erase it. So I'm just going to cross it off. 1 second. Sorry, guys. So I'm going to say, I think this. Okay. I think this. Finger space. Because. Now this is the important part. This is where you get to tell me why your animal is better than the other animal. So you can go ahead and look back at this. So for me, I'm going to say, hold on 1 second. I think this because lions get, so you're going to write why you like your animals. So I'm going to say lions get to sit in the sun all day. And I really love the sunlight. Now, if that's not why you like them, that's okay. You could have said you like lions because they have a fluffy mane. Or maybe you would say because they have amber eyes. Or maybe because they are camouflaged. You could say you love your tiger because it has stripes. Or because it has a long striped tail. It could be any of those things that you think. Because this is what you think. This is important because it's what your opinion. So once more it says, I think lions are better than tigers. I think this because lions get to sit in the sun all day. Okay? Okay, friends, that's it for today. Be sure to take a picture of your 2 sentences for your paragraph. Okay, bye everyone.